Hey guys, Jacob here at the ePoolSupply. Today, we have the Intermatic Air Blower for pools and spas. Stay tuned, we're gonna rip this box open and see what it looks like. And we're back. So, all right, Intermatic. They are getting hot and heavy in the pool and spa industry. They have always been the name of the game for their timers back in the day, for their like pretty much single speed pumps. The T104M, as a lot of pool guys are used to it. But they are actually, they purchased a pool equipment manufacturing company, and now this is their newest air blower. So this air blower is pretty cool. I mean, it's just like all the other competitors out there. They have a 1 horsepower, 1.5 horsepower, 2 horsepower, 120 volts, and 220 volts, or I guess now it's 120, 240, and kind of everything in between. So this works for all your applications. They also have 2 different models on top of that, to where if you want a switch built in or no switch. So if you have automation, you're going to want like an IntelliCenter, like a Pentair IntelliCenter. You are not going to want the switch installed. Strictly because your IntelliCenter turns it on. But if you don't have any automation on your pool, you're gonna want it comes with a little toggle switch, so that way you can turn it on and off. So let's dive this thing open, and it is installed or packaged upside down. So that's pretty exciting. So that's your air blower. Comes with a little cover plate for the wiring. Comes with a check valve, which can be pretty huge. And your instruction manual, which is fantastic, because I don't think any of the competitors actually come with an instruction manual. Okay, so they are loving the fact that they are saying this thing is thermally protected. What does that mean? They wrap this entire casing with foam. So this thing should be a lot quieter. I think maybe we might install this thing on Kyle's pool, so we can actually get you guys maybe a video of what it sounds like before and after of what this sounds like on a normal swimming pool. So pretty cool. I mean, it's very simplistic, simple air blower. They give you a mountable version right here, so you can mount this bracket to a wall, which I believe is commercial stuff. So your wiring box, your J box is right here. This is a 240 volt version. So your 2 hots are going to go on the black and the white, and your green is your ground. Green is always ground. I imagine they don't change the wire colors for the 120. So your hot would go for the black wire, your neutral would be the white wire, and the green would be your ground. Put a nice little logo on top, which is kind of cool. So your cover, once you're all done wiring, let's see, it's a 1/2-inch conduit connector on the bottom. So once you're done wiring that, here's a little cover plate for it. Again, just to make it look pretty, you may want to spray paint it black before you put it on there. This is your check valve. So pretty much what this happens is your 2-inch pipe that comes up from your spa blower line. You're going to want to plumb this on there. I believe a check valve or a coupling goes on the bottom. So you're coupling your pipe, glue that on. And then honestly, this is what you want to glue onto the pipe. Don't glue this onto here just yet. If the blower pops off for any reason, then go ahead and glue it on. But I know some of these equipment manufacturers like to have this thing serviceable. But this is a pretty tight fit. So once you smash this thing on there, it's going to be hard to get it off anyways. But again, I just showed you upside down anyways. So this is the side that goes up here. And that way, air goes out, no water can come back up when the thing's off, especially if your spa is higher than your air blower. You're going to get that siphon effect. But yeah, these are pretty cool. I'm very interested to see what they sound like and how they perform out in the field. So I think our next video on this thing is going to be an in-field operation, which I think will be pretty sweet. But yeah, this is Intermatic's spa air blower. Pretty cool. I like the way it's built, is pretty solid, so I think it's going to hold up pretty well against the elements. But yeah, I'm Jacob with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching the video today on Intermatic's air blower. Hey guys, thanks for checking out ePoolSupply's YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button down below, and we got new content coming out every single week. Come visit us in store or online at ePoolSupply.com. Thank you.